Hello everyone! Are you curious about how to travel with a cat? Let's explore! Traveling with a cat can be a challenging but manageable experience with proper preparation and planning. Whether you're going on a short road trip or a long-distance journey, there are several steps you can take to ensure your cat's safety, comfort, and well-being during travel. First and foremost, it's essential to acclimate your cat to their carrier or travel crate well in advance of your trip. Leave the carrier out in a familiar and comfortable area of your home and encourage your cat to explore and spend time inside it. You can place treats, toys, or bedding inside the carrier to make it more inviting for your cat. Additionally, consider practicing short car rides with your cat to help them get used to the sensation of traveling in a vehicle. Start with brief trips around the block and gradually increase the duration and distance of the rides over time. Be sure to reward your cat with treats and praise for remaining calm and relaxed during the car rides. When preparing for your trip, ensure that your cat's carrier is secure and well ventilated, with enough room for your cat to stand up, turn around, and lie down comfortably. Line the bottom of the carrier with absorbent bedding or a familiar blanket to help keep your cat dry and comfortable during the journey. It's also important to pack essential supplies for your cat, such as food, water, medication, litter, and a litter box. Bring along your cat's favorite toys, treats, and comfort items to help keep them calm and entertained during the trip. During travel, secure the carrier in a safe and stable position inside the vehicle, such as on the floor of the back seat or in the cargo area of an SUV or van. Avoid placing the carrier on the front seat or in a location where it could become unstable or tip over in the event of sudden stops or turns. Throughout the journey, monitor your cat's behavior and well-being closely, and take breaks as needed to allow your cat to stretch their legs, use the litter box, and have a drink of water. Never leave your cat unattended in a parked vehicle, especially in hot or cold weather conditions. In summary, traveling with a cat requires careful preparation, patience, and consideration for your cat's comfort and safety. By acclimating your cat to their carrier, practicing short car rides, and packing essential supplies, you can help ensure a smooth and stress-free travel experience for both you and your feline companion. Please like the video and follow the channel for more related content. You can also support us on Patreon, so we can create more informational content like this. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.